Let's talk about how to maintain your tan longer. Here are some quick and easy hacks for men. Moisturize daily. Use a hydrating lotion or tan extender to keep your skin moisturized and your tan looking fresh. Avoid hot showers. Hot water can dry out your skin and fade your tan faster. Opt for lukewarm showers instead. Pat dry, don't rub. After showering, gently pat your skin dry with a towel to avoid rubbing off your tan. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated from the inside out, which helps maintain your tan. Use gentle products. Switch to mild soaps and body washes to prevent stripping your skin of its natural oils and your tan. Exfoliate. Weekly. Light exfoliation once a week helps remove dead skin cells and keeps your tan even. Avoid excessive sweating. If possible, limit activities that cause heavy sweating, as it can cause your tan to fade